Stop y'all, I'm back. I hope y'all enjoyed the pictures. Got some questions to ask y'all. What would go with a good day at Mexican? Fried chicken, close. What would go with good costumes? Fried chicken, close. Chicken skin. Biscuit too. What would go with some sweet, some Crystal Light or Jolly Rancher? Fried chicken. What would go with cosplay? Fried chicken. What would go with a good day's work? Fried chicken. Okay. What would go with a nice sunny day? Fried chicken. We'll go pizza, fried chicken. We'll go with a day with y'all costumes that y'all wear at Mexican. What would go with a great day at Mexican? Fried chicken. Delicious. Again, what would make it fun? Fried chicken, chicken skin. A little midnight snack with some church's chicken, you heard me? A full day of work at Mexican and everything else. Doing a lot of fun. Had lots of fun taking pictures and stuff. I mean that. That was so awesome. Alright. That's it. Fried chicken. I'll be right back. Fried chicken. 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 Fried chicken.